What's that?
I just found an extra little, basically I bought Malteser bunnies and I found an extra little bunny under the wall.
Wow.
They're rats, but
Okay.
they're the Easter bunnies.
It's a
Be
hot,
warm
hot,
then, wouldn't it?
hot, squidgy bunny.
Whoa! Don't think anybody else wants that, so you are free to gobble.
Knock yourself out. That's a
Gobble.
Anyway, is it still nice, Luke?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bobby Joe.
Bobby Joe's. Oh yes.
I wonder if they had a
One of them's in a dress.
a food challenge. You know, a bit like Man vs Food.
Oh. That's right.
Quality wasn't brilliant though, was it?
So yeah. Fine.
Bad film. Forest's Arms.
Oh,
We'll either be there one day. Oh look, the water. See the lights. Is the water moving or is it just lights?
It's just like.
I suppose they ain't going to do the water because it could freeze.
Yeah, they make it mega slippy then, wouldn't it?
Wow, what's that guy holding?
It's a lighted balloon on a stick. Lighted balloon? Lit balloon.
So there's lights on in there, but it's not actually open.
No, they just put lights on. Protecting